Hey guys, it's morning time and I'm going to whip up a very quick breakfast. And the other thing that's really cool is I did an appearance for my Prepon kitchen products. So now I got some of my products, which is great. I'm very excited. So look at how fast this is. We're gonna make a frittata. I have some prepped potatoes that I already have in the fridge. Those are gonna go in. We got some zucchini, red onion, red pepper, which usually I peel, but I can't find my peeler. So we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna peel it, but we're still gonna use that pepper. A little bit of cheese and eggs. So check this out. Let's do it. Onion first. A little red pepper. So quick and satisfying. Okay, now let's do some zucchini. Also, my kids are gonna run inside any second. I can hear that. They're just getting back from the zoo. Okay, let's see. This thing fills up really quickly. So, ooh, that's looking good. Okay, let's do some potatoes. I'm gonna use a little slicer blade. So you don't really wanna put raw potatoes into a frittata because sometimes they won't cook quickly enough. So this is perfect that I had these already prepped in my fridge, just simply boiled. And this is a perfect example. Now I can use them in this frittata. Okay, that is looking really good. Give it a little stir. Oh, you guys, this looks awesome. So now I'm gonna put in some eggs. This is 8 eggs. Okay. Put that in. Just give it a gentle mix. Whoa, this is gonna be so beautiful. I'm gonna mix in some shredded cheese. So I'm gonna cook the cheese in the frittata, and towards the end, I'm also gonna put some on top. Whoa, this looks delicious. Okay, a little bit of salt, so mix that in. And then we're gonna pop this in the oven at 350 degrees. The appliances here cook differently than mine at home, so I'm gonna check it in about 25 minutes. So we're just gonna pop this straight into the oven. And we'll check that in 25 minutes. Yay. And my cleanup. Guys, this is one of the main reasons I invented this board. That's the cleanup. Okay, cool. So let's check the frittata in 25 minutes. So the timer just went off. Let's take a look. Whoa, that's looking awesome. Okay, so it definitely needs some more time. So good to know. So I'm gonna put it back in and check it in another 5 minutes because clearly it needs to cook more. Again, new appliances, figuring this out. So what I am gonna do though is I'm gonna top it with some cheese so it gets all beautiful, melted and golden brown. Okay, so I actually had to put my frittata in for another 10 minutes to make sure the inside was cooked as I'm learning this oven, but it's perfect now. Check this out. Whoa, oh my gosh. Okay, ready? Moment of truth. Look at how easily that came out. Oh my gosh, you guys, that's perfect. That is so delicious. Look at how perfect that is. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Whoa. Okay, so now to top this off, some avocado slices. You guys probably hear my daughter watching her cartoon time. Oh my goodness. And then you just fan it out. So this is also how I like to serve avocado, is I'll take a spoon, cut out slices, and I put it down like a little fan, and it looks really pretty. So now what we're gonna do is a little bit of salt, hot sauce on mine, not this one, let's do it on mine. Whoa, this looks so beautiful. Okay, here's what's so great about this. Now, frittatas can stay good in your fridge for like 4 days. So now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna cover this up and I'm gonna put this straight into my fridge. Whenever my kids or myself or my husband want a snack or a friend comes over, they want a quick, beautiful meal. Slice, pop it in the oven, pop it into a microwave if that's your guys' style instead, or pop it into a little, countertop convection oven or whatever. Heat it up. Perfect. I love frittatas because they're really durable and they last for 4 days. So good. In the fridge. And breakfast is ready. Yay. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another one. And I'll see you guys soon. Now I'm going to take a bite. My favorite part. That's so good. Mmm.